Today we're going to create a quick workflow to post when we do any activity in GitHub or Jira or Bitbucket or any of these integrations that you see here. First of all, we're going to go to workflows and commands, and we're going to create a workflow. We're going to go to the second page here in triggers, and we're going to select activity logged in DailyBot. We're going to give it this name. We're going to do it for code pushes, right? So code push notification. We can select activity type. To do this first, you have to integrate GitHub or Jira to your DailyBot account by going where we were at the start of the video in integrations. It's a very quick process, but basically once you have it integrated, you can select here the activity that we want to, put in DailyBot and send out a message about. So I'm gonna click here and select code pushes for this example, and then I'm going to send a chat message. We could also generate content with AI to format it first, so maybe we're just gonna do that first. We're gonna tell AI to, format these inputs about a code release so they make a good notification message. You can write in any prompt you want to. You can use GPT-4, and now we're going to insert the variables. So in our last step of the activity, we created some activity variables. So we're gonna put them here. Activity type, and you can put in any of the variables that you wanted to create, as good a notification as you want. So we're gonna put in the link. We're going to put in payload. Maybe we could do the message. We're gonna put these for now, but you can, mix and match the variables that you want to put here. And next, we're gonna send a chat message. So this AI response, since it's already formatted, we're just going to copy it and we're gonna paste it at the bottom. Now we put it here, and we're gonna put in like a new code push has happened. You can format it any way you want. Up next, we can select where we want to share this. So we can select the chat channel, for example. We're gonna put it in releases, but you can also send it to DMs, maybe of the, of the general team or your development team or certain people like managers that you have in DailyBot. We're gonna save this action, and then we're gonna click on save and activate. And that's it. Now every time a code push happens in our GitHub, DailyBot is going to send a notification about it so that the whole team knows and everyone, is informed about it.